This is the way the early morning hours looked in Rio Grande City, also up into Roma and Fronton and places along the border. There's hail mixed in with that. Most of it was pretty small, but there was a bunch of it. This from Ryan Rosa in Rio. And you see him bouncing around there from time to time. It wasn't all that large and there wasn't that much of it, but it was a pretty widespread over western Starr County. Over in Mexico to the west, we believe there was probably some much larger hail west of Falcon Lake. This is what it looked like. Again, we'll let it run one more time over the last 24 hours. And you'll see the line coming in from the north, and notice how it kind of broke right over the middle part of the valley. So Starr County got some heavy rain, parts of Willacy and Cameron counties got some heavy rain, but Hidalgo kind of missed out on most of it as the kind of split as it went over the middle part of the valley. That's all gone now, and Future Track says is gone for the night and probably for the next few days. Here's tonight overnight. Skies stay mostly clear. We go into tomorrow. We start cool, we start clear, we end up with sunshine and a very nice day across the region tomorrow. Sun should be the rule pretty much all day long with low humidity. Going into Saturday, same kind of thing. Cool start, bright sunshine, warm temperatures in the afternoon. We see no rain though. We're dry Friday, Saturday, and again on Sunday. Here are the current temperatures: 60s in a few places like Harlingen, Edinburgh, Rio Grande City, 70 Brownsville, 72 in Port Isabel at this hour. Look at the dew points way down there now, 40s and 50s across the region. We'll put the average of about 49 on the muggy meter, so we're definitely down in the dry range, and even those with higher dew points still comfortable, so pretty nice evening over the region. Tomorrow's high temperatures should climb back up in the upper 80s. That's about it. And the next 3 days, 88's the norm. We'll be kind of toying with that, give or take a couple degrees, nowhere near the records, which are all up in the vicinity of 100. Rest of Texas tonight, cool, 62 in Austin, 66 in Dallas at this hour, 52 in Amarillo. Less humid air has built into the region and cool temperatures tonight. Sunshine tomorrow. No more fronts for a while. We don't see anything until probably the second half of next week, and even at that, doesn't look to be a big deal. So we just stay breezy through the weekend into early next week. A few more clouds and rather warm. If you're headed to the beach, here's what you can expect. In the morning, temperatures start the day in the 70s. Still a northerly breeze tomorrow. The UV index is extreme. You see the high rip current risk. 77 is a surf temperature. Tomorrow evening temperatures in the 70s, easterly winds at about 9. There are the tides, small craft advisory until midnight tonight. Seas running 3 to 5 feet with a light chop on the bay. So tonight, 56 for your low, clear and cool. Northerly winds, not much more than about 3 to 10. Let me say that again, clear and cool.
Thank you so much. And low humidity?
And low humidity.
Oh my gosh.
And look, it's on the screen for tomorrow, low humidity, just like you asked.
How beautiful that is.
It's
It's a trifecta. Yeah, it's true.
It's a good hair day. Sunny skies tomorrow, high of 87, a light northerly breeze. 87, then a couple of 90s over the weekend, but nighttime lows are still comfortable.
Beautiful.
Early next week, we do warm up a bit. We're back with nighttime lows back in the low 70s again, and more clouds come back in, maybe even a sprinkle or two. But the next 3 days, especially Friday and Saturday, look really nice, and Sunday looks pretty good as well. Those cool mornings, and then sunny and warm afternoons, low humidity, windows down kind of thing as you're driving around the valley.
All right, well, let's just talk about the weekend then. Let's just not go any further than
Let's
that
stick
right
with
now.
the low humidity as long as we can, right?
Exactly, please.
Enjoy.